Thanks to UBT Business, you can bank anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Click Business Banking, then under Payments and Transfers, choose the Payments tile. Click the New Payment button and select the desired transaction type. Click the Upload from File link. Click the Mapping Actions menu option to utilize a pre-existing mapping format. Select the Use option, and then select a file to import. If a new file map is needed, click the New Mapping button. Select the file to be imported. Confirm the file delimiter and indicate whether the file contains column headers, and then click Continue. Designate the system field for each column to be mapped, and then click Continue. Indicate whether to save the mapping instructions. If yes, enter the desired mapping instruction name. Indicate whether the file mapping should be private or shared. Click Finish when done.